YouTube, what is up, boys? It is your boy Grant back with another video. I'm gonna try to keep this simple. I'm gonna try to keep this short. I've just got a new package in the mail today. Something we're gonna throw on the 535 behind me. So we're gonna jump into that. Again, if this is your first time to the channel, though, make sure you like and subscribe. We've got a lot more mods coming that I want to try to do to this 535i. But let's jump into this video and we'll see what we got. Okay guys, we're back on the dirty workbench here, and this is the package that showed up today. So hopefully this is actually giving you guys a good picture of what we got. So I went ahead and cut it open here. This actually is another, oh man, this is so sweet. This is another part from my boys over at RVG Parts. So the same guys that brought us the downpipe. This is actually, this is a prototype, so this isn't something that you guys can get yet, but this is a carbon fiber high kick spoiler. Oh man, this thing is really, really nice, guys. This is honestly, I was actually talking to the guys, this is literally the first carbon fiber part that I've actually purchased for a vehicle, period. So I'm not sure if you guys seen in the playlist or other YouTube channels. I've had quite a few different cars that I've tried to work on, tried to build. The main one was actually my LS 240. So it was a 1997 240 Kooky that was I put an LS swap in it, and again, this was the first time I've ever actually picked up a carbon fiber part, and this is just really, really cool. It's really sweet, very, very well made. So we did have to go ahead and pick up some double-sided tape. So I've picked up some 3M double-sided tape. We're gonna slap that on here, and then we're gonna do a quick install on the F10. But I'm really, really loving the detail to this product. Okay, so we just transferred it over to here to our table, still in the garage, and I'm just laying down basically two strips of 3M tape, and then we're gonna get it, actually get the trunk lid cleaned up real quick, and then get this thing mounted. So that's finished. I'm gonna finish this second layer of tape, and then we'll move over to the trunk. Okay, so we've moved over to the trunk lid now. What I'm gonna do now is I've kind of wiped down the trunk lid just with a microfiber towel. I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with a clay bar, just so that I make sure that this surface is as absolutely clean as possible, so that the mounting tape and everything doesn't have an issue of sticking. So. Okay guys, so this is the first time for me mounting a spoiler. So what I'm doing is I'm basically sitting the spoiler where I want it to sit on the car. I'm going to make sure that I have the proper clearance, or the gap that I want on both sides. Make sure that it matches, which is looking really good right now. And from what I saw on YouTube, just like you guys, did my research, they said the best way to do this is to actually use tape to create a hinge, to be able to just fold this up, remove the double-sided tape, or the one side of the double-sided tape, and then lay the spoiler back down. So we're going to give that a shot right now. What I'm going to do is we're going to start the corners here of this. Start pulling the corners on this, and we'll go ahead and lay it down in place. So we got the spacing that we wanted. Okay, and we're going to remove our tape. We're just going to firmly press down to make sure we get it in place. All right, boys, and that's our finished product. We got another mod done. Again, this is where I was talking about the gaps. So just kind of making sure that our lines looked real clean there, and we got it perfect there. It looks just the perfect amount there. That high kick spoiler definitely, I think, is just gonna set off the look of the car. Really, really like the way that looks. Very, very clean. All right, fellas. All right, boys, I'm really digging this spoiler. So again, another mod done. I want you guys, make sure you like and subscribe if this is your first time coming to the channel. Comment down below, let me know what you think about the mod and in the direction that we're going with the 535i. Again, love you guys. Make sure you're safe, and we will see you guys in the next one. All right, be safe.